Robinhood just retested a key level and the chart is screaming buy. Let's break it down. So guys, when you start off on the daily chart for Robinhood, you guys can see ever since December all the way to mid-May, the Robinhood stock was trending downwards. However, recently, we have been breaking out of this downwards trend with higher highs and higher lows. And I can show you guys that with the 4-hour chart. So when you go into the 4-hour chart, you're seeing a higher high and a higher low than our previous low from over here. So guys, another piece of confluence that you're seeing on the daily chart is that you're seeing that Robinhood did dip right back into our daily fair value gap, but it didn't want to go further into our daily fair value gap, right? Instead, it slightly went inside and it's rejecting and trying to go up to our first price target of $94. And another piece of confluence that we do have with Robinhood is that you guys can see where we're bouncing up from. We're a little bit past the equilibrium of the move or really close to the golden pocket of the Fibonacci retracement tool. And that's usually where you do see stocks bounce up from. So this is another piece of confluence that we're using to predict that our stock, Robinhood, is more than likely going to go back to $94 and potentially higher. So I did end up getting calls with $94 as my first price target. And if we do see strength, we could potentially head for $111. Also, if you are unaware of the recent news surrounding Robinhood, Robinhood did announce a couple of things that will probably be a news catalyst for this stock. So here's what they announced. They launched the Robinhood Advisor Network. This is an in-app marketplace that connects Robinhood users with professional financial advisors who manage money through their TradePMR custody platform. Think of it like a matchmaking service. You open Robinhood, browse advisors, and hire one directly in the app. Robinhood also introduced Robinhood Cortex for Advisors. This is an AI tool that helps advisors write portfolio summaries, prep for client meetings, generate tax insights, and handle follow-up tasks automatically. So why does this matter for the Robinhood stock? These moves are designed to bring more client assets into Robinhood's ecosystem and create new revenue streams from custody, lending, cash management, and wealth products, reducing their dependence on trading commissions. That's a much more stable, recurring revenue model. So along with the really good opportunity that we're seeing on the chart in terms of the confluence, Robinhood does have some news catalysts behind it to push our stock higher into the price levels that we are targeting. Full chart with exact levels are in my Discord, so make sure to hit the link in my bio and follow for more so that you don't miss out